Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the booking app to only show accessible uh, apartments in the booking app. So yeah, but before that, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the booking app, and here it opens up in search. From here we have to go into profile, then on manage your account, then on preferences, and here under accessibility requirements, if you tap on this, we can select whether to show all properties or only show me accessible properties. We can select the one that fits our needs, and then tap on save, and it's going to be saved, and then the app is going to take this into consideration while recommending apartments for us. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.